Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you a Mercedes all features. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to MB, Apps and Hey Mercedes Info. Here we can learn what this
I can help you operate different functions easily and intuitively.
What this function is capable of. First you can find its introduction. Here we can check feature ability. Speak in natural way, tell me what can I do for you, interrupt me, and talk to me from different seats. From this menu you can learn that you can talk to assistant in the normal way as you talk with the other human being. Next, we can manage settings via voice assistant, driving, for example, navigation, interior, communication, vehicle, engine, media, fun and information. Let's for example say, "Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
how do you like BMW?
Good friends from Bavaria.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
show me engine status.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again, please?
Show me engine status.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
Okay. Set to 19 degrees. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
set climate to 19 degrees.
I have set the temperature to 19 degrees.
If you find this video helpful,
What do
please
you
leave
want
like,
to do?
comment and subscribe.